Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix iMessage waiting for an activation. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information that I am going to show you. So let's get on it. First, what you'll need to do is to go to your settings, and then in here, just scroll down and then go to the messages part on your settings. So tap onto your messages, and then what you need to do is to toggle off the iMessage right there. So just toggle off, and then just go back to the settings again. And after going back, just go to the FaceTime section just below the messages, and then toggle off the FaceTime also, and then go back. And then what you're going to do next is to scroll back up in your settings and go to your airplane mode. So what you need to do is to turn on your airplane mode in there, and then go to your Wi-Fi. So then after turning your airplane mode, the Wi-Fi is turned off immediately. And then go back to your Wi-Fi and then turn that on. And then after turning on your Wi-Fi, just scroll down again and go back to the messages part in your settings, and then just turn on again your iMessage, and then go back and go to your FaceTime again. So go to your FaceTime and then turn that back also, turn it on also, and then turning on, go to your settings. And then now what you need to do for the last part is to turn off your airplane mode. So that should fix the activation problem on your iMessage. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.